All right, in the meantime, let's shift focus to another round of breaking update that is now coming in right ahead of the elections in the state of Maharashtra. The reservation debate is now back, with the BJP which is now stepping the attack on the Congress party after Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole endorsed Rahul Gandhi's "We will remove reservation" statement. The BJP now says the Congress seems to have now decided that it will remove reservations for the SCs, the STs and the OBCs. First, let's take you through the reactions that are coming in on the BJP and how explosive has been the statement that has been made by Nana Patole himself. Let's, in the meantime, Sagarika is also joining us right now to help us understand, especially when it comes to the impact that it may have, especially when it comes to the statements that have been made by Nana Patole himself. Yes, Sagarika.
Congress chief endorsing what Rahul Gandhi earlier said has given ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of elections in the state of Maharashtra. Now BJP, one after the other, firing one blazing attack on the Congress. BJP starts by calling Congress Dalit Virodhi Congress. First keeps Kharge ji out, reminding it of the video of Mallikarjun Kharge. Then insults Kumari Selja. And then they say now it wants to end reservations. So reminding the Congress party and accusing the Congress party of being Dalit Virodhi. Let's also take you through the second reaction that's coming from the BJP. And this is Amit Malviya of the BJP who says Maharashtra Congress President Nana Patole endorses Rahul Gandhi's "We will remove reservation" statement. Provisions for reservation were provided to redress decades of social discrimination, but the Congress has decided to remove reservation for SCs, STs and OBCs. All the recent moves and statements are aimed at building ground for it. Let this be known, as long as Prime Minister Modi and BJP are around, no one will be able to even touch reservations provided by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, let alone remove it. India's constitution is supreme. BJP will defend it at all costs and at all times. So first attack by Amit Malviya, then an attack that came in by BJP spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla. Over to you, Amita.
All right, Sagarika, as far as these reactions that are coming in, this is on part of the BJP calling the Congress party as Dalit Virodhi, saying that the Congress seems to have now decided that it will remove reservations for the SC, STs and the OBCs. We know that how kind of a sensitive and also an explosive comment that one could make as far as looking at the current situation, and reservations has been that kind of a topic just ahead of the elections that would be taking place in the state of Maharashtra.
दलित विरोधी डीएनए और मानसिकता एक बार फिर से सामने आ गई। खड़गे जी को दरवाजे के बाहर खड़े कर वायनाड के नॉमिनेशन के समय पर जिस राहुल गांधी ने कहा था विदेशी धरती पर जाकर कि आरक्षण समाप्त कर दिया जाएगा, उनकी बातों को सही ठहराकर उसे दोहराने का काम महाराष्ट्र के कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष नाना पटोले ने किया है। उन्होंने कहा राहुल गांधी ने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला, आरक्षण को समाप्त होना चाहिए, अम्बेडकर जी का आरक्षण समाप्त हो सकता है। मतलब कि समझ लीजिए, इन्होंने ये आरक्षण के विरोध में बार बार बोला है और उन्होंने किया भी है। नेहरू जी ने 61 में आरक्षण का विरोध किया था, 80s to 90s में इंदिरा जी और राजीव जी ने विरोध किया था। राजीव गांधी ने लिखा था कि आरक्षण लेने वाले बुद्धू होते हैं। 2004 से 14 के बीच में यूपीए की सरकार ने ओबीसी आरक्षण छीनकर मुसलमानों को देने की साजिश रची, कर्नाटका में किया, जामिया एएमयू में आरक्षण खत्म किया और अब कांग्रेस डिक्लेयर कर रही है महाराष्ट्र में ऑफिशियली कि हम आरक्षण समाप्त करेंगे। कांग्रेस दलित विरोधी है, इसलिए खड़गे जी के साथ जो बर्ताव किया, ओबीसी नेताओं के साथ जो बर्ताव किया, कुमारी शैलजा जी के साथ जो बर्ताव किया, अंबेडकर जी की तस्वीर का अपमान किया, अंबेडकर जी का जीते जी अपमान किया, 2 बार चुनाव हराया, कांग्रेस दलित विरोधी है। आज ये स्पष्ट हो चुका है, कांग्रेस आरक्षण समाप्त करना चाहती है, कांग्रेस दलित विरोधी है, कांग्रेस ओबीसी विरोधी है। ये इनका असली डीएनए और चेहरा है, उजागर हो चुका है। राहुल गांधी बताए, वरना वो माफी मांगे अपने बयान के लिए, नाना पटोले के बयान के लिए, और इस पर उद्धव सेना और एनसीपी शरद पवार अपना स्टैंड बताए। कांग्रेस का दलित विरोधी।
Well, this is how, as far as the reactions on part of the BJP that have been coming in, we have Abhishek and Nyamika joining us right now. As far as the 50% cap on reservation statement that was made by Rahul Gandhi, Nyamika, here is Nana Patole seems to be endorsing that. However, the issue of reservation is quite sensitive, and to bring out at a time and to endorse is rather just weeks to go before the assembly elections take place in Maharashtra.
Well, surely, Amita, this is going to increase the trouble for the Congress party. The manner in which Nana Patole, who is the Maharashtra Congress chief, he has endorsed the statement which was being given by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, regarding the reservation reservation issue in our country, as that has been supported by Nana Patole, as he has also mentioned that whatever was being said by Rahul Gandhi, there is nothing wrong in it. And I would also like to mention here that at that point of time also, it was the BJP who had continuously attacking Rahul Gandhi for making such kind of statements, saying that the Congress party has a Dalit Virodhi mindset, and that's the only reason why Rahul Gandhi wants to end the reservation in our country. However, later on, Rahul Gandhi had also clarified that whatever has been taken up by the BJP, that is basically a misinterpretation of his statement, as he has also mentioned that it is a distorted statement which is being used by BJP regarding whatever he has said about the 50% reservation issue of our country. As he has mentioned that what he wants to say was that he would like to remove the 50% capping of reservation, as that is basically what he wants to say was regarding jitni abadi utna haq. That's the only motto of the Congress party, and that's the reason why Rahul Gandhi, along with the many other Congress leaders, had also clarified their stand that the BJP is basically trying to distort the statement which was being given by Rahul Gandhi. But the manner in which once again Nana Patole has endorsed this particular statement, BJP has taken this opportunity and they have once again started attacking the Congress party just ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly election by saying that basically the Congress party is Dalit Virodhi, and that's the only reason why they are continuously attacking the Dalit community. They are completely against the reservation, and that's the only reason why these leaders are giving such kind of statements.
Right, but Abhishek, at this point, did Nana Patole actually have to give such kind of a statement where he seems to be endorsing the statement previously that was made by Rahul Gandhi? Well, because the reactions that have been coming in as BJP is now pointing out that it is Rahul Gandhi who is the one who is making the biggest attack on the constitution. He's been talking. All right, नीरज कुमार जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए. नीरज कुमार जी, आपको मेरी अगर आवाज आ रही है तो नाना पटोले की तरफ से ये कहा जा रहा है कि राहुल गांधी ने जो 50% कैप रिजर्वेशन पे हटाने की जो बात की थी वही महाराष्ट्र में भी अगर लागू हो जाएगा बिना चुनावों से पहले, तो बीजेपी हमले पे उतर आई है. वो कह रही है कि आखिरकार जो संविधान पे जो अटैक किया जा रहा है वो राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से ही किया जा रहा है.
नहीं, देश के अंदर में जो रिजर्वेशन की व्यवस्था है कोई दया का पात्र है क्या? देश के अंदर में संविधान सभा में बहस हुई तो क्या देश के पुरखे को ज्ञान नहीं था, जानकारी नहीं थी? देश के पार्लियामेंट को जानकारी नहीं है? यह बताता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी बिल्कुल रिजर्वेशन के खिलाफ है और रिजर्वेशन से इनको बहुत परेशानी हो रही है, क्योंकि ये फैमिली रिजर्वेशन के पक्षधर है, ये इकोनॉमिक रिजर्वेशन के पक्षधर है. आम आवाम के रिजर्वेशन से इनको परेशानी है. ये तो पूरे तौर पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो हमारा राइट है उसी राइट का वायलेशन कर रहे हैं. और ये आज की बात थोड़ी है. राहुल गांधी जी भी का भी नजरिया इस संबंध में आया है. बाद में उसको लीपापोती करते हैं कि डिस्टॉर्ट किया गया. अरे गोल्डन वर्ड जो निकल जाता है वो रिपीट बार बार नहीं होता है. कांग्रेस अपने बेसिक कैरेक्टर को दिखा रही है.
जी, धन्यवाद आपका नीरज कुमार जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. एज फार एज दैट इज द रिएक्शन कमिंग ऑन पार्ट ऑफ द जेडीयू. अभिषेक, यू हर्ड the reactions that have been coming in. We'll play out exactly what Rahul Gandhi had said, and that endorsement straight away is coming from the Congress unit chief of Maharashtra of the Congress party, Nana Patole, who seems to be also talking about the same just before the assembly elections. Let's listen in.
We will think of scrapping reservations when India is a fair place, and India is not a fair place. We will think of scrapping reservations when India is a fair place, and India is not a fair place.
Well, Abhishek, as far as this very statement, is this the endorsement that is now coming from Nana Patole to the statement that has been made by Rahul Gandhi? Because Congress party quickly was to say that the statement of the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha was distorted.
See, definitely we will have to understand, this is something will definitely affect the Congress when it comes to the Maharashtra elections, and this is the core period. And Nana Patole was addressing a conclave of one of a particular channel where he was questioned not once but twice, what is, do you endorse the statement? He clearly said what?
And his statement was misconstrued. And
the other name for hypocrisy, the other name for duplicity is the Congress party. I'm surprised that as a senior journalist, you are not surprised with these double standards of the Congress party.
But what do you make of the clarification that came in?
There is no clarification, sir. What clarification?
Mr. Rahul Gandhi had said that he does not want to end reservation today.
All right, trying to get in a word as far as many BJP leaders and MPs are concerned, because they are not buying Abhishek as far as what they have been giving as a clarification of Rahul Gandhi on this. So Udit Raj ji bhi ab hamare sath phone line pe jud gaye. Udit Raj ji, as far as the statement was given by Rahul Gandhi when it comes to scrapping of reservation, this has now been picked up by Nana Patole. He's endorsing it. The BJP is now questioning the Congress and Rahul Gandhi, saying that it is the Congress which is anti-constitution.
It's Rahul Gandhi ji who is fighting for reservation. It's a BJP which has already eroded the reservation in 10 years of time, and for instance that through lateral anti-IS were recruited and there was no reservation. This is an example of BJP that how it is killing the reservation. So what happened that it could be stopped because of Rahul Gandhi's intervention when he raised this issue. So what he said, that is correct. Even Dr. Ambedkar also said that not more than 40 years reservation should continue, believing that by that time there will not be a cost. There will be alienation of the caste. So what happened that was Dr. Ambedkar anti-reservation? You see, it's a BJP. And I tell you, the BJP is rumor mongering party and false.
Right. But this is how, as far as the war of words that has now been taking place, because Congress party on one hand is trying to damage control the statement that has been made by Rahul Gandhi. However, Nana Patole seems to be endorsing it, Maharashtra. Thank you very much, Mr. Udit Raj, for your point of view as well. As we are trying to get as many reactions as possible, Hina is also joining us right now. Hina, reactions that have been coming on the statement made by Nana Patole.
That's right. Reactions have been pouring in, especially from the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is now escalating its attack on the Congress party, on Rahul Gandhi specifically ahead of crucial Maharashtra elections. We have now got this reaction from Pradeep Bhandari of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He says, and I quote, "Huge Congress Maharashtra chief Nana Patole says nothing wrong in ending reservation at some time. Congress intentions are clear." He also goes on to say that Congress wants to end reservations of Dalits if it comes to power in Maharashtra. So one after the other, more and more BJP leaders are reacting to this big development. Clearly, this is going to increase the political temperature, Amita, in Maharashtra ahead of the polls.
All right. Thank you very much, Hina, for joining in. To you, Nyamika and Abhishek, as well. As far as Nana Patole there articulating a clear and an aggressive message as far as on the issue of reservation is concerned. He is now endorsing his own party leader and member of Lok Sabha. And we talk about the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi's statement on reservations. We'll get you more reactions on that, especially how the BJP is reacting. Back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.